Now let's talk about دستگاه هومایون. Homayoun. Homayoun. This دستگاه is kind of minor, but we cannot even compare our modes, Persian music's mode, to European modes. But it's sort of, we can compare to it. Okay, so we are going just to play Homayoun Sol. Of course, the tuning is different, but now we are stay on C, G, C still. Okay, so G or Sol, Fa, Mi, Koron, Fa, Sol. Most of the time we are going just to emphasize on Sol. The tonic is also Sol. Sol, Do, Sol. Okay, now the interval. Sol, La, Koron, Si bekar or Si natural, Do, Re. And most of the time, because we are not follow the gam, we don't have like octave to octave. We have phrases or we have like 5 or 4 notes as the position. So we are not going to go to like E quarter tone now. We can start from E quarter tone here. Fa, Sol, La, Koron, Si, Do, Re, natural, Do, Si, La, Sol, Fa, Sol, Fa, Mi, Koron, Fa, Sol, La, Fa, Sol, Do, Si, La, Sol, Re, Do, Si, La, Sol, Fa, Sol, Sol, Do, Sol. This is the feeling, this is of the sense of دستگاه هومایون. Now let's sing it together. Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do, Re, Do, Si, La, Koron, Sol, Fa, Mi, Koron, Fa, Sol, La, Fa, Sol, Do, Sol. Now let's practice درآمد. Fa, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, sol, la. We are going just to have the embellishment note on C. Sola, sola, sola. La, 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 si, la, sola. La, 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 si, la, sola. La, la, si, la, sola. Si, la, 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 la. Si, la, 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 la. La, sol, fa, sol, la. Fa, sol, la, fa, sol, la, fa, sol, la. La, la, sol, sol, fa, fa, mi, koron, fa. And then re, it's sometimes come, but sometimes not coming. But sometimes in درآمد, in few versions, we can still have re. Re, re, mi, fa, fa, sol, sol, la, si, la, sol, la. We are going to go to one note higher. Do, si, la, do, si, la, do, si, re, do, si, la, sol, fa, mi, fa, sol, la, fa, sol, sol, do, si, la, sol, fa, sol, sol. And we are going to stay on sol. Now without singing, just feel it, play it with your instrument or sing around it. So don't worry about exact notation that I'm playing for you. You just get what you get and just repeat it after me, echoing me. Like call and response, something like that. Let's talk about Dastgah-e Nava and the last Dastgah that we are talking about. Dastgah-e Nava. Okay, Nava is spelled N-A-V-A, Nava. So we are going just to experience like E quarter tone, Fa, Sol, but La natural or La bekar. And B flat or Si bemol. All the time we are emphasizing on La with lots of vibration, like vibrato, or we call it nale. So let's talk about interval, like E quarter tone, Fa, Sol, La, Si bemol, Do, Re, Do, Si, La, Sol, Fa, Sol, La, Fa, Sol, Do, Si, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Koron, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Fa, Sol, Do, Sol. Now we are going just to sing a little bit. Fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, sol, la, fa, sol, sol, do, si, la, sol, do, si, la, do, si, la, do, si, re, do, si, la, sol, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, re, mi, re, mi, fa, sol, la, fa, sol, sol, la, stay on it, fa, sol. Sola, 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 sola. Again, stay with silence. Fa, sol, fa, mi, fa, sol, la, fa, sol. And then daromad. Sing it with me. Fa, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, sol, fa, sol, sol. Sol, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa. Re, mi, re, mi, re, mi, re, mi, re, re, mi. Sol, fa, mi, sol, fa, mi, sol, fa, la, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, re, mi, re, mi, re, re, mi. Again. Sol, fa, mi, sol, fa, mi, sol, sol, fa, sol, sol, fa, sol, sol, fa, sol, sol, fa, sol, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, re, mi, re, mi, re, re, mi. Mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa. Mi, re, mi, re, mi, re, mi. Re, re, mi, mi, fa, fa, sol. Now we have sol, la, fa, sol. Fa, sol, fa, sol, fa, sol. Fa, mi, or fa, mi, re, mi, fa, sol, sol. Now we are going just to move to higher note. Sol, do, si, la, sol. Sol, do, si, la, sol. Sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la. Do, si, la, sol. Fa, sol. Fa, sol, la, sol, fa, sol. Fa, mi, fa, sol. Do, sol. Now let's play without singing or talking. Just play any feeling that you get, anything that you receive. Don't worry about technique now.